Can this banana peel actually whiten your teeth? The internet says yes, but the truth might shock you. I'm Dentist Tikka, and today I reveal which natural whitening hacks actually work, which ones secretly destroy your enamel, and what's the safest method backed by real science that actually work wonders. Let's dive into this weird banana peel trend first. People claim rubbing the inside of a banana peel on your teeth for 2 minutes daily makes them whiter. Bananas contain minerals like potassium and magnesium, great for eating, but do they whiten teeth? Scientifically speaking, no. There's zero evidence supporting this. At best, you'll get banana breath. At worst, the peel's abrasive fibers might even scratch your enamel slightly. Save your bananas for breakfast? This method is pure internet myth. Next, let's tackle a popular but dangerous whitening myth. Lemon juice. It's true lemons are acidic and can temporarily remove surface stains. But, and this is crucial, they drastically erode your enamel. Regularly applying lemon juice literally strips away enamel, causing irreversible damage, sensitivity, and ironically, more discoloration over time. And trust me, if you care about your teeth, keep lemons far away. But what about baking soda? Surprisingly, this one actually works if used correctly. Baking soda gently removes surface stains, making teeth visibly brighter. Dentists even recommend it occasionally. But here's the catch. Baking soda is mildly abrasive. Frequent use, more than once or twice weekly, can thin your enamel. So, gently brush with baking soda occasionally, but don't overdo it. Activated charcoal toothpaste is everywhere these days. And initially, yeah, it does drastically whiten teeth. But there's a hidden risk. Charcoal is highly abrasive, like using fine sandpaper on your teeth every day. Over time, this severely damages enamel, causing sensitivity and dullness. My professional advice: skip the charcoal hype if you value long-term enamel health. Before revealing the absolute best method, let's discuss hydrogen peroxide. And good news, this one has a dentist seal of approval. It safely removes stains and whitens teeth when done properly. Mix equal parts of 3% hydrogen peroxide and water, swish gently for 30 to 60 seconds, then spit out. And use it sparingly, no more than a few times weekly, to avoid gum irritation. When used correctly, hydrogen peroxide is effective and safe. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. The best natural dentist approved method. Coconut oil pulling. But why coconut oil? Well, it's gentle, safe, and clinically proven to reduce plaque and gently lift surface stains over time. Simply swish 1 tablespoon of pure, organic coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes each morning before brushing. It traps harmful bacteria and gently whitens teeth without damaging enamel. It's not an overnight Hollywood smile, but it's safe, effective long-term strategy that genuinely improves oral health. Remember, natural whitening methods require patience. They're safer but slower compared to professional treatments. If you want quicker, more dramatic results, talk to your dentist about professional options. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more honest, dentist-approved tips.